To program a dose on the Verona SED, you will need to push and hold the continuous dose button on group 1. Group 1 is the master, with groups 2, and if you have it, a third group will be the slaves. Push and hold till you see dose setting select on the LCD display. While in this menu, you can choose one of the 4 dose buttons. Start. When you hit the desired dose volume, push the same button again, and when it times out, it will copy across to group 2 and then group 3. To run an auto cleaning cycle on the Verona SED or TCS, you need to push button 1 and 5 simultaneously. To put the Verona SED or Verona TCS into standby, on group 1, push button 5 and 3 simultaneously, with button 5 pressed fractionally before button 3. To turn the machine back on, push button 3. To access the technical menu on the Verona SED, first the machine needs to be in standby. Push button 5 and 3, with button 5 pressed marginally before button 3. In standby mode, push and hold button 5 until you see language on the LCD display. Use buttons 1 and 3 to change the state of the menu item, and button 5 to save it and move on to the next menu item. To exit the menu, keep pushing button 5 until the machine says off on the display, and then push button 3 to turn the machine back on again.